everybody. Corey McCaskey, Jessica Hargis Real Estate Group, coming to you here today from 1028 Kimbro Drive. We're doing an open house from 1 until 3 o'clock today. Great, charming little home here in Travis Ranch. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2 living areas. Has vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting, wood plank flooring, soft gray and blue warm color palette. I mean, just a nice little place. Please come out and see me. I'll be here today until 3 o'clock. Or if you want to set up a private showing, or maybe you're considering selling your home and want to know what it's worth, feel free to contact me at 469-209-8856, or as always, you can reach me by my email at corey@jessicahargis.com.